Okay, so here's a problem that came across my desk. We're talking about subtraction with borrowing or regrouping through zeros. How do I borrow through zeros or regroup through zeros? So we're going to start at the right here, and I want to point out, really make sure that you line up your digits. Maybe do a better job than I did here. These ones aren't lined up that great, but try to line up each place value in your digits here, especially when you're adding or subtracting. That's very important. Okay, 2 minus 3. We can't do 2 minus 3. It's not 1, right? We can't take 3 away from 2. When we subtract, we always need to have a bigger number on top and a smaller number on bottom. So I'm going to borrow from this 6, make it a 5. I'm going to take the 1 that I borrowed and make that to a 12. 12 minus 3 I can do. That's 9. Where should I write my answer? How about right there? Yeah, that's good enough. That's spaced out pretty good. I'm always kind of trying to improve on how things show up on the camera, so bear with me. Okay, 5 minus 9, can't do that either, right? So I need to borrow from the next digit over, but the next digit over doesn't have anything for me to borrow. So I need to borrow from the next digit over, but that digit doesn't have anything for me to borrow either. So I need to come all the way over here to the 10,000s place, borrow from the 3, make it a 2. Take the 1 that I borrowed and turn that thousands place into a 10. Borrow from that 10, make it a 9. Take the 1 that I borrowed from there, put it in the thousands place to make that a 10. Or sorry, the hundreds place. Borrow from that, make it a 9. And take the 1 that I borrowed in front of this 5 to make it a 15. Now I have enough to subtract the 9 and probably the next couple digits as well. So 15 minus 9 is going to be 6, I think. Check at home. 9 minus 1 is 8. If you can catch me making a mistake, kudos to you. I really hope that you do. Put it in the comments, all right? And 9 minus 8 is 1, kind of the inverse of the next digit over. That's kind of fun for dorks like me. 2 minus 6, can't do that. All right, so let's borrow from the 7, change it to a 6. Take the 1 that I put right there on the 2 to make it a 12. And 12 minus 6 is 6. Do I have anything left? 6 minus nothing is 6. So we get 661,869. So let me just briefly address the sort of confusion here. Let's just look at the first one where I had a 2 and I borrowed. I like to think of the place values the same as we have money, at least in the United States where we have proper money. Sorry if you live in the rest of the world, get some good United States money and you'll be fine. Here I have 2 1s, right? 2 $1 bills, and my friend wants 3 1s. I don't have 3 1s to give him, but I do have 6 10s, right? So I head to the bank or the store or whatever, I take that 6 10s and I break it into 10 1s. And well, now I only have 5 10s left because I took one of my 6 10s and broke it into 1. So I only have 5 $10 bills left. But now I have 12 $1 bills. So for me, it makes a whole lot more sense if you think of it as, trading out some money, some different bills of different denominations or different place values, which is why those different bills exist, so that we have the right sort of change to make if we're, this is probably got to pay $3 to your friend because you lost a bet about something you were watching. Who knows? If you have a math problem you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will. Hope that helps.